Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. My name is Mike Ficsacardi, and today we are going to do a lot of interior work on this car. The driver airbag has blown, as well as the seat belts. So we're going to take out the seats, remove the seat belts, and the driver airbag, as well as the knee airbag, and just do some cleaning up in here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Of course, before you do any airbag work, make sure you disconnect your battery. We'll do that. First thing first, we'll remove these two 14mm bolts, and we'll see what goodies are under there. Next, we'll move to the back. You'll just yank on these plastic covers, and they will pop right out. To the other side. There we go. Two 14mm bolts. Need a little more power. Came back with a little more power. Once you are able to lift the seat up, my car is a base model, so it just had a connector for the seat belt, airbag, and whatever this other wire is. But they were very simple to remove. With the yellow one, you pull down on this black tab, and then you could pull the sensor out. With the white one, you'll press on this tab, and then you can pull the sensor out. Alright, it's pretty dirty in here. I'm going to get the other seat out, and then I'll start cleaning. Alright guys, so seats are out. Definitely gonna use a good vacuuming, and I'm gonna probably shampoo the carpets eventually, but a good vacuuming will do for now. I'm going to remove the center console as well. It needs a good wash. There's a couple of Phillips head bolts inside this back portion of the console, and I believe once we get this boot up for the emergency brake, I believe there's another Phillips head hiding behind there. And just to get that up, we'll just pull on the, just pull gently on the vinyl here. There we go. Pull that up. And there's another Phillips head screw right there. So we'll take those out. Now with those removed, we can just lift this up. I'm going to disconnect this electrical connector for the charging port. If any of you guys know the trick for these clips, please put it in the comment section. Got that out. Previous owner did not leave me a lot of coins. I have 98 cents. Not exactly gonna help with the budget. To remove this shift boot, we're gonna pull up from here, being careful not to break any tabs. Just like that. And then we'll pull this entire section back towards us. Oop. Don't go blowing your ass out on this one. This straight over top. There we go, it's out. Oh wow, conveniently there's the crash module. Short shifter is pairing. I'm gonna clean up this interior. I'm not gonna bore you with it, I'll just show you before. Oof. And you will see after, once I'm done, that actually I need to take these seat belts out first. So that's what we're gonna do, and then clean up. I just pried up on this trim panel. That comes up nice and easy, nice and simple. Peel back just some of this weather stripping here. Just enough. Do the same on this side. Just try to pry gently. Okay, that panel's out. And that exposes what we need to remove next down there. Seat belt. Take a small pick, get underneath this yellow tab, and pull it out towards you. That's how you undo that connector. Okay. And with that exposed, we'll undo this 10mm bolt down here. Seat belt. It's a captive bolt. Don't forget this bolt. Use a Phillips head, it's probably going to strip. Okay. go, got that out. Go back to your 14mm bolt, and there's two up here. Move the top one, bottom one, and this hole. Seat belt will come off now. Just so I don't lose them, we'll put these belts back. Finally, we'll get rid of these bolts down here. And we should be able to completely remove the seatbelt assembly now. Yep, there we go. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I'm shot after cleaning this interior. I'm just gonna leave it this way until I get the seatbelts fixed, and then I'll button everything back up, show you how I made out. I would like to shampoo the carpets once it's all done and shampoo the seats. But we'll save that for another day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, stay tuned for some more. And I would appreciate if you hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. All right, everybody. Take care. Bye.